Good morning, dear beloved students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with coordinate conjunction and the use as coordinate conjunction. Okay, types of coordinate conjunctions. Types of coordinate conjunction. कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन कितने प्रकार का होता है? टाइप्स ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शंस. Okay, dear. Coordinate conjunction means here first that is cumulative coordinate conjunction. Cumulative coordinate conjunction. Let us understand which one is a cumulative coordinate conjunctions. जोड़ बताने वाले संयोजक शब्द इन हिंदी ये है मीन्स जोड़ बताने वाले संयोजक शब्द. Cumulative coordinate conjunctions such as, देखिए नोट कर लीजिए, both and to now also not less than both and to now also not less than, not only but also, not only but also, as well as now these are conjunctions, cumulative coordinate conjunctions. Let us use in different sentences. Okay, देखिए, she is both beautiful. She is both beautiful and intelligent. Both beautiful and intelligent. Both and here you see, वह दोनों खूबसूरत और कुशाग्र बुद्धि के हैं. तो both and. Now cumulative coordinate conjunction here has been used. She is not only, यहाँ देखिए, she is not only intelligent. She is not only beautiful, but intelligent also. Yeah, but also an intelligent child. Okay, but also you can say but also intelligent. Here you see but also and not only but also. Now as a functioning as a cumulative coordinate conjunction, Hercules Hercules was tall. Hercules was tall and strong. Strong too. Two and two. नहीं लिखा है? Yes, right here. And two. So you are just looking at these sentences. Cumulative coordinate conjunctions you are looking at. You are looking at their uses in these different sentences. She as well as her parents. Her parents or parents is illiterate. Illiterate. Nirakshar. Here you see is. Parents hai, but subject main subject is here. According to the number gender person, now is here or is has been used. She as well as her parents is illiterate. तो as well as के साथ साथ अपने parent के साथ साथ वह एक निरक्षर है. In this sense is here and as well as के साथ साथ या साथ ही साथ. In this sense now cumulative structure, cumulative coordinate conjunction has been used. Okay, next conjunction, coordinate conjunction. That is what? That is adversative coordinate conjunction. Adversative. Adverse means विरोध. Adversative. Next, adversative. Adversative coordinate. Adversative coordinate conjunction. विरोध. विरोध. Adverse means विरोध. विरोधात्मक. विरोधात्मक संयोजक शब्द. संयोजक शब्द. Okay, let us understand. विरोधात्मक संयोजक शब्द. Adversative cumulative conjunction. विरोध बताने वाले. Showing contrast means showing contrast. ये contrast बताएगा, विरोध बताएगा. Showing contrast. I mean adversative coordinate conjunction shows contrast or showing contrast. Let us understand. Wherever, but still at, nevertheless, इसके बाद only, however, while, whereas, whereas. These are the connectors, adversative connectors, right? Showing contrast. So let us use some of them in sentences. Okay, dear. Do what you like. Now, do what you like. Only do what you like. Only do not sit near me. जरा इसकी मीनिंग समझिए। जो व्हाट यू लाइक करो, जो तुम चाहो तो करो, जो तुम चाहो करो। ओनली मात्र, डू नॉट सिट नियर मी, मेरे पास बैठो नहीं, तो ओनली हियर नाउ एज एडवर्सेटिव कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन। बैठो और ऐसा ये करो, जो चाहो करो, लेकिन यहाँ मेरे सामने ना बैठो मीन्स opposite sense. Okay, it can raise. Okay, so it shows contrast, only showing contrast. And my uncle is rich. My uncle is rich. And while or whereas my parents or my father is poor. My uncle is rich. Why? Jabki, whereas jabki my father is contrast. Okay, Vinod bata raha hai na, rich and here you poor, so you see here, you find here contrast. It while or whereas showing contrast. I felt angry. I felt angry, but नहीं लिखा है. I felt angry, but I kept quiet. मैं गुस्सा तो आया, but परंतु I kept quiet, शांत रहा. गुस्सा भी और शांत भी means showing contrast. But also here, but नहीं है क्या? हाँ, yes, but. तो but showing contrast. Okay, adversative coordinate conjunction. It is but adversative conjunction. He worked hard at this पर भी H he failed. फेल कर गया, कठिन परिश्रम किया, फिर भी फेल हो गया. Means here H showing contrast. Adversative coordinate conjunction here H showing contrast. तो भी, इस पर भी, फिर भी, now he failed. ये H के जगह पर you can use nevertheless. H or nevertheless showing contrast. You may use either at or nevertheless. Okay, dear. Just you are learning adversative coordinate conjunctions and their uses. Just you are learn more and more. So adversative, just after adversative, now next conjunction, coordinate conjunction is alternative conjunction. Alternative coordinate conjunction. वैकल्पिक संयोजक. वैकल्पिक संयोजक शब्द means वैकल्पिक, alternative. Okay, either or, neither nor, either or, neither nor, otherwise or else, etc. Okay, now let me use either you or your sister Your sister is at fault. चाहे तुम या तुम्हारी बहन fault पर हो. Either or. Now alternative. चाहे तुम either or. Now alternative coordinate conjunction functioning as either or. या तो तुम या तुम्हारी बहन means alternative. Alternative it shows now a coordinate conjunction, but it is now alternative. Either or alternative coordinate conjunction. Okay. I have neither scooter. I have neither a car or scooter. मेरे पास कार भी नहीं है, न तो कार, neither, न तो, और not, N-O-R, not. I have neither a car nor a scooter. A scooter. न तो कार है न स्कूटर है. तो neither nor means alternative coordinate conjunction it is. Hurry up. Or else you will miss the train. जल्दी करो नहीं तो ट्रेन मिस कर जाओगे. और एल्स, हरी अप, और एल्स अन्यथा या तो तुम ट्रेन मिस कर जाओगे. और एल्स दैट इज अल्टरनेटिव कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन. Work hard, otherwise you will fail. कठिन परिश्रम करो, अन्यथा you will fail कर जाओगे. In this sense, otherwise alternative coordinate conjunction has been used. Okay dear, now these are the coordinate conjunctions, alternative coordinate conjunctions. Next conjunction, that is now relative coordinate conjunction. Next conjunction, that is relative coordinate conjunction. Relative coordinate conjunction कौन है? परिणाम बताने वाले. परिणाम क्या बताएगा? परिणाम. ओके. So therefore for then etc. Now showing they are relative coordinate conjunction. Example here, he worked hard. वो कठिन परिश्रम किया. So he passed हो गया. So he passed. He worked hard, so he passed. Here in this way you find so as functioning as relative conjunction, coordinate conjunction. So he passed. Therefore or so he passed. You may use so or therefore. Okay, now relative coordinate conjunction, it is now. Okay, the bus is about. The bus is about to go. बस चलने वाली है, जाने वाली है. About to go. Let us get in. Then here as relative coordinate conjunction. बस चलने को है. Let us get in. चलो हम चढ़ने दो. तब in this sense तब. Let us get in. तब हमें इसमें चढ़ने दो. मैं चली जाएगी. So here you see then as an relative coordinate conjunction. Okay, dear. Now the days are short. The days are short. दिन छोटे होते हैं. For क्योंकि it is December. क्योंकि है दिसंबर है. दिन छोटे होते हैं. For क्योंकि the days are short for it is December. यह दिसंबर है क्योंकि यह दिसंबर है और the days are short, दिन छोटे होते हैं. You are tired. You are tired. So take you should take rest. So you should take rest. You should take rest. थके हो तो तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए. So इसलिए. So now विकल्प दे दिया, सॉरी परिणाम दे दिया. थके हो तो उसका परिणाम क्या बताया जा रहा है कि रेस्ट ले लो भाई. In this way, relative coordinate conjunction here just you have used. Yes, dear. Now you have learnt a lot about coordinate conjunction. Okay, dear. Use in your own sentences. Wish you all the best and brightest. Thank you.